Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to remove bold and italic font from a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and this is text italic font. I'll make this text normal font. Click on this edit option and click this edit text option. Now click this right side font bar and click on this text box and drag your mouse, select your text and this is italic option and simply uncheck and this is this italic font now remove and this bold font text and drag your mouse, select and uncheck and see this view bold font. Also I'll remove this italic font and see this and this one bold and italic, simply remove bold and italic font and see this. In this way you can remove all of this bold and italic font from your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.